Hello, here's Martin. I show you now how you can change the kick spring from a Russian multi-tool knife. Here at first I filed down a bit from the head of the rivet at one side, you can see it here, and then I pulled the rivet through the knife out, but not full out. I keep a bit in the knife handle. You can see it later. Then I turned the mainspring. You can see it here. So, and as next step, you can see it here. I pulled out the broken end of the kick spring. So here, so you can see it again. Here is now a Hubertus spring and the Russian kick spring. So one moment. Here you can. Here's the Hubertus, 12 centimeter, and here I made a little piece metal of that I give additional into the mainspring of the Russian knife. Here you can see that they have approximately the same length. Here's the broken Russian spring, here's the Hubertus spring, and the little bit steel that I made. So, and here you can see how I give it in. Here's the little bit steel that I made, and the Hubertus spring. This is the mainspring from the Russian knife. I give this in, and then I turned the mainspring to the original position in the handle. Here, this piece you can see is the spring, but he's not full out of the knife. He's just so much out that I can turn the mainspring. Now I give the mainspring back, and uh, with a hammer the rivet, here the rivet in the handle back. And after this I can, if you don't file too much from the head of the rivet down, it should be possible with a hammer to use the same rivet again. Yes, that's not so much work. Now you give that back, and then it should work. The Hubertus is not so strong as the Russian, but it should work, and you can change if the Hubertus break, then you can change it easily without take the Russian knife apart again. I hope this video helped you, and wish you a nice day. See you at next video. Bye.